You're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Mm-hmm.
What's up, vendors? Super vendors back again. This time we're trying to change the labels on the machine. I got it too high out there, you know, it's my first time, so I just try to put out the price. So we're gonna load it down to 50 cents or so, see how that works out. Yeah, let's just begin. If you guys haven't already, like and subscribe. Be right there, right? These are the new labels. We actually just kind of printed these off of a label printer and stuff like that. It's obviously different than these ones, but you know, saves a little bit of dollars here and there. We'll see what it looks like. Yeah, this is the top row. Here's the next. Pretty simple. You'd have to change the prices though. That's the part though.
You have to change the prices?
I know, I actually literally have to change it in the system, right? So
how do you do that?
we're gonna teach you.